Hello, everyone. This is my review of these rug grippers. These rug grippers are good for keeping your rug in place, especially if you have a hardwood floor or tile floor and your rug keeps moving around when you step in it or the corners keep coming up. These pads has adhesive on both sides. Just peel them off and they will stick to your rug and to your floor. Just make sure you clean the area before you stick it on there. You can cut these pads down smaller if you need to. If you have a smaller rug, you won't put them on. Just cut them down. But let me show you them being installed. Just stick them on to the edge of your rug like that. Put it down. Press down firmly to make sure it has a good seal and see, not easily come up. So I like this product and I hope